So in this Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to add a 3D chart here on the Pages iPhone application. So once you open up Pages, go to the top here and press on the purple square. Now it says Discover, so just slide this top bar to the right and then select the second last option, which is Tables and Charts. Now, what you want to do because you want to add a 3D chart is just slide this bar a little bit to the right and press 3D charts right here. Once you're on this page, there's a bunch of different 3D charts you can select. You can also change the color scheme by just sliding the bar over here. So if you wanted to go ahead and maybe add this green and blue one right here, we'll just go ahead and add a bar chart just like this. Now, if you want to edit the information, hold the chart like this to open up this screen, press on the arrow, and then press on Edit Data. You can go ahead here, edit the data, do what you got to do, edit the names, etc. If all looks good, just press the check mark here, and that's how you guys can see your 3D chart. You can also go ahead and sort of move it in a three-dimensional way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to add a 3D chart here on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.